Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of DAV family under able guidance of Shri Poonam Suriji, Padam Shri, Honorable President of DAV College Managing Committee. A small seed has grown into huge banyan tree. I am thankful to this channel to recognize the efforts of our students and teachers. I am proud to share 173 students have scored more than 90% marks this year in class 10th. The credit goes to parents, teachers, and above all, my dear students who had burnt midnight oil. Thank you so much.
A very good evening to all my toppers here. Very good evening to all of you. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
How are you passing time?
Studies.
Studies?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course. Okay. So children, before we begin with this, I would like to thank my school for such an opportunity where we could speak to you at least this way. You know, social media right now is playing the key role for connecting to everybody. Do you agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure.
Have you seen our channel? What is your take on that DAV Alumni Reconnect? What is your take? I want to hear.
Ma'am, I've always wanted such a thing to happen. I was always thinking there should be some kind of social media outlet for our school because there are so many aspects that we can display. So I was very happy knowing that we have one like that. And
Beautiful.
especially something that connects all the alumni.
So I am privileged here to have a candid conversation with the youngest alumni of DAV Thane recently. Youngest alumni, right? So Satvika,
Yes, ma'am.
my heartiest
ma'am.
congratulations to you for becoming the city topper with 99%. But
Thank you so much, ma'am.
clap for her, children. Let's clap for her.
Thank
I
you so
want
much,
to know.
ma'am.
I want to know your feelings on that.
Ma'am, I was really happy, but I wasn't expecting to get 99 and to top the school. But it was very surprising as well to see my result.
Is that so? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, while I was prepping up for this session, no, I found a beautiful quote, of Bobby Knight. He said, "The key is not the will to win. Everybody has that. It is the will to prepare to win that matters the most." So I want to know, Jarvi, how did you prepare for this?
Ma'am, first thing one should have is determination to do, to achieve. You should have the will to achieve. And if you have the will to achieve, then you should be prepared for working hard enough for that. So I used to set up short-term targets and made sure that I completed them on a regular basis. And then I never used to stress that I have to do this, I have to do this. Neither did my parents put me under any stress. The reason is that I love studying and I was never compelled to study. And when you do a thing which you love to do, you never take it as a tedious job. So it was quite easy for me.
Agreed. So that was Charvi for everybody. Now I want to know from Aishmita Biswas. Come on. How did you prepare for it?
Ma'am, my story is a bit weird because actually if I tell mine, then it should actually be an example for students that what I did should not be followed.
Oh
because
my God.
sometimes overconfidence takes over people, especially students as young as me. I'm not giving an excuse, but I would actually like other students to laid back, and I did not join any classes, so I did not have track of time, and I would actually give all the credit to my teachers because of what they taught in class and how they were motivating all the time. I at least
Ashmita, some network
realized
issues.
that
Yeah.
I am supposed to work hard now. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now it's okay?
Yeah, it's better. It's better now. When you were speaking in
Yes, ma'am.
between, there was a lag. But we could hear
Okay.
that you didn't join the classes. We could hear that. And
Yeah.
I am sure all those who will watch this video will truly get inspired from this, that what matters is your work, your hard work, and
Yes,
your
ma'am.
perseverance. Yes, Ashmita,
Yes,
thank you,
ma'am.
dear. Yes, Satvika, you want to share your inputs on that, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Even I would like to tell everyone that, the first time I went, the first day of 10th, I was really stressed about being in 10th standard and that I was going to give my boards. But as the year went on, the teachers made sure that we never took stress of that kind. And they were always, helping me understanding the concepts. And I think that is very important.
I'm sure your teachers will be on the seventh sky to hear this. Believe me, that's true. Okay. So it is said that a champion needs a motivation above and beyond being a winner. Okay. What was your motivation? What was your motivation to scale up to that? To perform brilliantly on the first pedestal? Who will speak out first? Charvi? Okay, Charvi. Yes. All right. I got this. Share.
Ma'am, I remember 4 years ago, I was attending my brother's felicitation, his 10th standard felicitation. And at that time, the topper had scored such marks. And that at that time, my mother had told me, you see, now you have to achieve as good as her. So at that time, I had decided, yes, I'm going to make my parents proud.
Wow.
I'm going to achieve this.
Wow,
And that was
that's
my motivation. That was the drive which made me.
superb. Superb. Yes, Satvika?
Ma'am, I think even for me, the main motivation was teachers being proud of me.
Okay.
So, yes, and trying to get really well and preparing well.
All right. That's amazing to hear. Yes, Ashmita?
Ma'am, as Charvi said, because I had attended so many felicitation programs, I saw our many seniors, Venkatesh and all, and Nikita. I have seen all of them, and they were really inspiring. How Principal Ma'am, especially Principal Ma'am, the respect that they received after achieving such great feats, that was really inspiring for not only me, everyone else. So that was a main thing that propelled me, first of all, that I should aim to such heights.
Or
First
something.
step.
That's beautiful. That's really beautiful to hear all this out. Tell me, share some beautiful memories, beautiful or whatever. All sorts of memories that have anchored in your mind as far as DAV Thane is concerned. Any specific memory that you would like to share? Anyone? Share? Yes, Charvi? Share it.
Ma'am, my journey through the school years, it has been the most endearing part of my life. Like all my teachers from nursery till 10th standard have contributed to what I am today. And I won't say that I was a very model student. Academic wise, I was always very good. But when it comes to being a disciplined model student, I wasn't a very model student. Like I remember,
I like this honesty. You've been really humble, Charvi. Okay.
I remember all of the teachers scolding me, but that also creates a bond between the teacher and the student and a level of comfort zone. And I was the most talkative kid in my class, and I would like to take this opportunity to apologize to all the teachers for causing this distraction. I'm very sorry, ma'am. And you
No,
know what I'm talking
not
about.
not at all, not at all. What you spoke about that bond, remember that. Just remember that. And this is what is a fact, Charvi, what you felt, no? This is what brings everybody closer. Yes? Yes, Satvika, you have something to say on that?
Yes, ma'am. I think it's definitely true that teachers are really like our second mothers when we are at our school, and even scolding creates a very very special bond with teachers. So in ninth standard, I was working on the Jigyasa project with Vinita Miss and with Nutan. I think those are some very special memories that I made with Vinita Miss, Nutan, and the other friends that I was working with over the project. I
Beautiful.
also got to interact a lot with Satya Miss during that period, who was a school counselor. So that's
Beautiful.
one thing that I'll remember throughout my life.
Okay. Ashmita, any specific memory that you would like to share?
Overall, there's something that I've faced with teachers all along. Teachers have amazed me every time, every standard, how they actually understood my nature, because I am by nature very introvert. I wouldn't speak a lot, but all the teachers have been so
Ashmita,
considerate
Ashmita, some network issue
about
again.
making me okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll just change my position
Okay, okay, okay.
and come back.
Okay, okay. She'll be joining back. In the meantime, you can share your message for DAV Thane. What will you do, or what will you tell your juniors? How will you inspire them? A message for them, Charvi.
My message is they don't need to stress because it's 10th. So they don't really need to stress that. And they need to just balance their academics and their school life equally. They can do both the things, but not no overconfidence.
Yes, agreed. Completely agreed. Yes, Satvika. Tell me.
Even I would like to emphasize on what Charvi said that, don't take stress of being in 10th. And I know it's important to really study well, but also make sure that you enjoy your school year, because this is the last year that you will be spending in school. So make sure that you make a lot of memories which you can look back on later in life.
So,
That's all.
okay, Ashmita, what would you like to say to your juniors, dear?
Ma'am, I would like to tell them that the most important thing about school is enjoying each and every day. Many of times we always complain about we don't want to go to school, but now that I've come out of school, I would like to tell them that the first thing that has haunted me all this along, that I want to go back to school right now, because the comfort zone that has been created in the school by everyone, all my friends, all the teachers, that is something that we'll never find outside after going out into the real world. That is all that I would like to say. That's the most important thing.
So I
So
am
enjoy.
getting a sense that you already, feel a change in your personality already. Do you
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
so? Do you feel so?
Yes, ma'am,
As
sure.
far as Ashmita is concerned, Ashmita spoke few minutes ago about her introvert attitude. Believe me, ninth standard, I taught you, Ashmita, you were a new me to you. New me. It's a, and I was so surprised to see that such a girl who claims to be an introvert, I've seen a different aspect of your personality altogether. You were quite vocal at times. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. That is something weird about me. I speak only in specific times, but I admire many other students who are very extrovert and they know to speak in all times. So I actually admire those people a lot.
But you were always you know uh, aware of where to keep your words so profoundly. That's the best part of your
Thank you,
personality.
miss.
And I'm seriously blessed to be amongst you all and talking to you this way. I know this was the first major milestone which you have nailed it. You've just simply nailed it, and I'm sure you're going to nail many more. I want to ask you a genuine heartfelt question. As prominent alumni of DAV Thane, would you like to come back to school?
Of course,
Of
ma'am.
course,
Oh,
ma'am.
how That is amazing to hear. How do you think you'll plan up to help your school? Any idea that you would like to help your school with when you'll achieve what you have thought of?
Ma'am, most important is students at this age, because we are all adolescents and also younger ones. We always are in search of direction. So when I would have, or anyone would have achieved our goals, most of our goals. So one sense that we would be having is how to lead our life, what we must follow in order to be successful. So the most valuable thing that I would be possessing is my experience. So of course, I would like to come and share my experience and help everyone to take the right path to success. So
Perfect.
that's the most valuable thing that we'll have.
Yes, sharing your personal experience. That's
And
amazing.
anything else would be, of course, anytime if I'm called to the school, I would always love to go there. Any help.
We will wait for you with open arms. That is my promise to you. Yes, Charvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
How have you planned, beta?
Ma'am, share, of course, as Ashmita said, I would like to share my experience, but I think children of our age at that time, they'll hardly be interested in listening to the
Is
experience.
that so?
So-
Children have changed, but children have changed. You must remember we have conducted some personal sessions of guidance. Do you remember a few alumni coming and
Yes,
visiting your
ma'am, we
classes?
love to hear about it at that time, but it's
Okay.
not that we work according to it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so as of now, I haven't planned anything, but as an alumni, I would definitely like to contribute what is expected from me by the school when I am at the peak of my career, because
Okay.
school has been the best place in my life so far, and the most enjoyed, and the place I have enjoyed being the most, and which has like, it has helped in modeling my personality.
Beautiful.
So
Thank you. Satvika, how have you thought of?
Ma'am, even I would obviously like to tell the youngsters about my experience when I'm achieving my goals further in life. And as Tavi said, I think most of the students face that problem is that when we hear a lot of stuff uh, about how to plan our work or something, we agree with it, but most of the times we don't know how to achieve our goals. So I'd like to guide them on that basis about how to make your goals more achievable, how to plan your time well, how to manage it well. So yes, miss, and if any time school needs us, I would obviously love to help and come back to school.
Thank you so much. We would love to have, mentors in you, mentors for your juniors in you. That's the best thing that I think that can happen, right? Now, I want you to speak out your message for our principal madam and DAV Thane. Your message, your bidding message. Tell me.
Ma'am, we've always been so grateful to Principal Ma'am, because everything, the entire administration is all thanks to her. And she has brought a lot of improvements in our school in a very small amount of time. And the change is so evident now that we see. And the entire year in 10th standard, especially, we saw her motivating us all the time. And especially the motivational session that she conducted before the exam, that was very helpful. And not only for me, it must have been very helpful for all the people. So I am really grateful to Principal Ma'am, and we don't even know how to express it in words.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much. On behalf of her, I will say thanks to you. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Satvika, would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am. Really thankful to our principal ma'am for giving us so much more exposure. She always made sure that we could attend competitions and that we could hone our skills. And I think she made me realize that only studying textbooks or only giving and passing exams is not important in life. We need to be good at other multiple things as well. And I would really like to thank her for that. And also the school, because I think we amalgamate the Western and Eastern culture in a very beautiful way. And I'm very lucky to have grown up in that environment. So a huge thank you to the school and to the teachers and to Principal Ma'am, of course.
Thank you, dear. Yes, Charvi.
Ma'am, she manages the administration so well, all the class, all the standards, and the changes she has brought in the infrastructure, the tables on the stairs, and synonyms and antonyms on the stairs. That all makes our school so much more attractive.
Okay.
And then the way she manages everything with so much responsibility. Like I have participated in so many singing competitions, and the way she looks after, if this is done, and you need to win, and
She
then
has got this
and when we win the
eye for
prizes,
finer details. She looks
and
out for finer details. That I
and
also
when
felt.
yeah, when we
Uh,
win prizes, she talks to us personally, and she just motivates us further.
Superb, superb, superb. So your teachers will be very, very glad to. Any specific thing for teachers that you would like to share? Say out right now. Any specific? Okay, Charvi.
Ma'am, like the task of completing projects and notebooks, that was always a thing which I never did. But the teachers, they always like, acted as taskmasters. Like, Charvi, I have not found your notebook in the pile which was submitted. And like they made sure that I completed my notebooks and projects on time, and that's the reason why I have full internals today.
Superb. Thank you. Yes, I would like to say something on behalf of the entire DAV Thane. Okay, from Principal Madam, that children, your alma mater, that's your DAV Thane, will always be there for you. Ask for help, any sort of attention, any sort of requirement that you have in future, will always be there for you. And on behalf of all the teachers of DAV Thane, heartiest wishes, tons of wishes for all your prospective aims and goals. May you achieve all the success in life. Thank you. It was wonderful talking to all of you. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, ma'am.